Please wear your headphones. Hello, my young beginners. I'm back again. Hi. Thank you very much for coming back to Sameplace Everytime. Thank you very much. Do not drive watching videos. Please don't drive, do not watch videos while you're driving. Please understand watching video number 3 is a requirement, prerequisite. It will make you better understand the future videos. And this is an introduction for you beginners, my POCs. Remember my belief, you are never too young to become a leader. Okay? A small introduction about me. Who am I? I am Mani Vannan. You can call me Mani, I'll be very happy. I'm a retired corporate leader with 45 plus years of experience. Now a YouTuber, brand new. My experience: power plants, petrochemicals, construction, teaching, food industries. These are some industries I've worked. In which functions? Construction, commissioning, operation, maintenance, corporate management systems. These are some to name. What are my skills? I'm a powerful mentor, coach, visiting professor, functional leader for many functions, change champion, strategic leader, and learning and development advisor, and a lead auditing system. My passion is knowledge transferring. My vision is creating young leaders, creating you as young leaders. My belief, I told you already, you are never too young to lead. This is the belief behind my vision and my passion. Okay? In this slide, we are going to discuss about vocabulary. Vocabulary in the sense not really about the words, but the word vocabulary itself. What does it really mean? It's knowledge of words that we use. How many words? We don't know, it differs, varies with people. But we use them. Use it for what? Basically for communication. Knowledge of words being used for communication. That's straight answer. But that's the only answer? No, we have more than that, we do more than that. It is not really the word and the knowledge of words. It is the word you understand. That is, in your understanding, such words, you use them for speaking, for writing. And you should speak and write using correct sense. Sense of meaning. What does vocabulary mean for a 3-month-old child? It's responding, doesn't know words, right? Meanings, doesn't know words, it just responds. The child just responds. That's the tool for communication for a child. But people like us, like you, when you become leaders, great leaders, as you grow on, today it's your foundational training is starting now. The words and phrases you use in your workplace, you must be conscious to use them. Because workplace requires explanation. Correct. We will see what are the help you derive from real vocabulary, how it can help you. And we are going to learn together at Sameplace Everytime with me. I will make you learn. Don't worry, it's my responsibility. Okay? Manufacturing organization, what is it? A place that changes raw material into products. Let's assume a product called plastics. There are two plants. One is chemical plant and a petrochemical plant. Petrochemical plant supplies raw material to chemical plant and it produces plastics. Petrochemical supplies the polypropylene. That's the raw material supplied by the petrochemical to the chemical plant. They both produce products. Produce for what? Sell. Sell for what? Make money. That is the mission of this company, technical mission of this company. Okay, mission means why at all these two companies exist. Petrochemical supplies raw material to chemical plant. Chemical plant takes that and produces plastics. Mission is make money. This is the technical side of these two companies' technical mission. And they exist for that reason. At the same time, there is another transformation, soft transformation happens. Okay? What is that? It is my viewers, my audience, that is you are becoming POCs. You are becoming slowly emerging CEOs. When you're 40, every one of you will be senior leaders and one of you will be emerging as CEO. That is the mission of Sameplace Everytime and mine too, and the Creator. Therefore, the mission for this Sameplace YouTube channel is to create CEOs. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. If you take it seriously and watch videos, regularly it will happen. You are going to be my people of concepts and become global representatives. I repeat, you are going to be global representatives, diplomats of my channel and the Creator, that is me. It will make it happen. I will see that it happens. All right? It will. Don't worry. In this slide, quick look about how vocabulary can help you. A strong vocabulary increases your skill to talk with others, write your opinions. It helps you in expressing yourself more clearly and effectively. Makes it possible for you to think better about your problems, share with your friends, and find a better solution instead of you yourself struggling alone. And through a strong vocabulary, you can see your ideas better, visualize them in your mind, and you can analyze them and arrive at a good solution. When you write about what you said, for example, and you want to prove it, strong vocabulary helps you there very much. Believe me, it will help you very much over there. In the earlier slide, we just talked about organization. Mindful Heart Industries is a imaginary organization which I have created for training point of view. So, in this slide, I will explain the possible functional departments that a matured petrochemical industry will have. Right? This is for your familiarity. In future, during our discussions, we'll be using these departments too often. The intention over here is to give a familiarity about the names at least. Then when we go into the details, you will understand what I mean by familiarity. So let's move. Mindful Heart Industries is a petrochemical manufacturing industry, imaginary. It has the following functional department. Just listen to the names, that's all. I'm going to tell you the names. Operations, maintenance, quality control, quality assurance, corporate health and safety, environment, HSE, corporate research and development, R&D, corporate finance, payroll, technical services, customer services, sales and marketing, warehouse logistics, human relations, corporate learning and development, L&D, legal, government and social services, and corporate strategic functions. Remember, this is only for your familiarity. You will come across many times in our future discussions about mindful heart industries, MHI. Okay? All right. We'll move on to next. A quick reminder to you all. The real power of your vocabulary or words is in knowing what to say, when to say, and how to say in a given situation. That is real vocabulary. With that reminder note, we will go to next video in our next session, which will be organizational structure. Next slide, Thanksgiving. Okay? Thank you, time. Thank you very much for your listening. I'm signing off now. My mobile number is 7200858544. Please, no calls. Send your WhatsApp feedback. I will respond. I'm money waiting for you to meet in my next session at Sameplace everytime as usual. Please do return. Okay? Thank you very much.